Oh, here. Oops. Let me have this. Maya. Give me this. Okay.
I got it. Let me have that. Give me the knife.
Don't put it back.
Whoops.
Back. Whoops.
Good sit up, honey. Good job. You got it.
You're all right.
Come on. Sit up. There you go.
You're all right. Yeah, you're all right. Gonna put them back? Let's put them all back. Can you put them back? Jake, put them back. Can you put them back?
Oh, I'm giving you the knife. Not a good idea. Good job, Maya.
And these people had moved here from California in 1996, so they said, oh, it was really, and they live in Boulder, really inexpensive outside Boulder. They understood.
She's putting them back.
Yeah, she does. I usually like to put them away. That's a good girl. Can you put some back, Jake? Whoops, he keeps moving it so he can't get the fork in.